babes, welcome back to Simply Fatima. I'm Fatima and I'm glad you guys came back and clicked on my video because today I have the most exciting video ever. It is a quadruple unboxing of Louis Vuitton items, especially Louis Vuitton items that are so hard to find. If you want to see what I have, please stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I love chatting with you guys in the comments, so please comment down below. So yeah, I don't want to keep you guys waiting much longer because two of these items actually I haven't seen. So I am super duper excited to see these items and I don't want to keep you waiting and I don't want to keep myself waiting. So yeah, so let's just hop right into the video. Okay. So the first two items that I have, they are actually, all of these are considered small leather goods. Let me just get that out the way. So these items that I'll be unboxing are all small leather goods that are really hard to find. So they're Louis Vuitton unicorn items. And so I'm gonna start out with these two boxes right here. Right here I have the Monogram Louis Vuitton Key Pouch, and in this box right here it is key pouch as well. So I have them both in the Damier Ebene print and the monogram print. My sister wanted one, I wanted one, she wanted one in the Damier Ebene, so I was able to find this and I was super happy when I found it because this is a really hard to find item, along with the monogram key pouch. And both key pouches come with gold hardware like that. And they both have a really smooth zip. It's just I'm having a hard time because I'm holding up two pouches, but they both have really easy zips. They both come with a gold key ring that you can hook your keys in or on. You can hook your keys on. It looks like it will hold cash, cards, my keys. Well, cash and cards if I don't put my keys on the inside, but of course if I hook my keys onto this, I just drop them right inside and zip it right back up. So this is the Damier Ebene print, and just like the monogram, it comes with the hook to attach your keys onto, and holds cards, keys, cash. Nothing too different. So that is the first two unicorn Louis Vuitton items that I was able to snag, so I'm super excited about. Well, so the next piece that I'm going to unbox, and it is the Toiletry 15. She is so adorable. So this is the Toiletry 15, and I'm just really excited about having her in my collection because if y'all have seen any of my what fits in my bag videos, y'all know I just kind of like throw everything in my handbags, and now I'm just ready to like get a little bit more organized and get my life together. So I wanted something that I can put like my lip gloss, my hand creams, my hand sanitizers, gloves, all that stuff that you need nowadays, and instead of just throwing it in a bag. So I have my Toiletry 15. So this, here's the zipper. It zips up really smoothly, and I love the structure of it. It looks like it's in really good condition, and I love the little tab that it has, like the pull tab to help you close it up or whatnot. But yes, I have the Toiletry 15. I am so excited to have her in my possession. If you think that I need the Toiletry 19, or if you think I would like the Toiletry 19, please comment that in the comments and tell me how you like your Toiletry 19, and if you think I should get one. But she's so adorable. I'm so excited to put this to use, and I'm so excited that I was able to get my hands on this. Oh my gosh, like I really do think I might need a Toiletry 19. Though it was one of those in the middle of the night purchases that you have, you just like end up waking up out of your sleep, and you just like end up on your laptop. Next thing you know, you're on the Louis Vuitton website, and the next thing you know, you got a Toiletry 15 sitting in your cart. I think it was one of those kind of purchases. But yes, I'm super in love, and I'm super excited to, you know, test her out. The next pieces that I have are, I literally saved the best for last. Like, I have been wanting these SLGs slash handbags for the absolute longest, like absolute longest. Like when I tell you, I have been hunting, stalking the websites, stalking my stores. Like, it consumed me. Like, that's all I had my mind on. I was like, I gotta get these small leather goods. I gotta get this handbag. I got to. And I have them. And I don't know, how should I do this? How should I unbox it at the same, should I do it at the same time? Like, ooh, how do I want to do this? How do I want to show you guys? I guess, so I love them both, but I can rank them from runner-up to first place winner. So, runner-up. So, we see the box, we see the dust bag. I've already seen this. I've already opened her. I have not used her, but I get so excited. So excited every time I see her. So I recently, brand new, not off the pre-loved market, but brand new, got my hands on the Damier Azur Pochette Accessoires. Like, isn't this the perfect starter bag if you're intimidated by white handbags? Like, and it is a unicorn find. I found a unicorn, like, I don't even know what to say. I do not know what to say. So this is runner up. So yeah, this is my small leather good / handbag that I was able to get my hands on. Oh, I'm just so happy. So since y'all know who runner up is, I guess you can kind of tell what who's the big winner, the bag that leaves me speechless because I just cannot speak right now. So we're gonna set her aside because she's beautiful and we love her. We're gonna set her aside. And then we gotta show you her sister. She has a sister. And with me just saying that, y'all should know who the sister is. Okay. So here it is. I literally just unboxed her. Here's the box. Here's the box that she came out of. Like, I literally just unboxed her. Ribbons, box and all. This is the sought after. Like, literally sought after. People are willing to pay the pre-loved market prices, which I refuse. If I see something on the original website that is less than $1,000 and I go to the pre-loved market and pay $1,000 for something that isn't even $1,000 even with tax, no, I'm gonna keep stalking and trying to find it. And that's what I did with this piece. It's like the sought after piece. Like, this is pure excitement, pure joy. I haven't felt this much excitement. I guess because it's a unicorn find and most people pay pre-loved prices or like they're stalking the website like how I did constantly. Oh, this is my first time seeing her. Oh my gosh. I'm super excited. I felt like this when I was unboxing my multi pochette and my birthday gifts, but y'all, she's gorgeous. She's gorgeous. I was able to find this great unicorn gem, brand new from Louis Vuitton. Here it is. I have the Monogram Pochette Accessoires, brand new. It's made in France. Both of my pochettes are made in France. Like, this one still has its stuff. Oh my gosh, this one still has its stuffing in it. I'm gonna just take it out. The brown inside. Oh my gosh, the smell of brand new leather canvas is amazing. Like, I have my hands on the Pochette Accessoires monogram. Like, I thought I would never get this handbag, and I finally have them. So yes, I have the Monogram Pochette Accessoires, the hardest bag to come across, and I'm super excited to have this in my collection. This is something that I'm gonna pass down to my daughters when I have them. I am just so excited. So I am just so elated and so excited, and I'm super excited to wear this. I'm gonna wear this as a crossbody because all of you guys know that I have my monogram strap. If you haven't seen my monogram strap, you can see all my Louis Vuitton videos. It's in all of those videos, but this wasn't a try on, this wasn't a what fits in my bag. I just wanted to unbox this with you guys so you can see it, because I'm so excited to have her. And yeah, she's a cutie. And I feel like, comment below if you think I should do a battle of the pochettes, because I have this monogram pochette, and I also have the multi pochette, and I also have my Prada pochette. So comment below if I should do a battle of the pochettes and see what items each pochette holds and the wear, like how it falls on me. And yeah, if you think I should do that, comment below. And if you like unboxing videos like this, luxury videos, unboxings, purse conversations, just remember to please like and subscribe and chat with me in the comments. And I love you guys so much. Talk to you later. Bye.